Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the On Record BD channel. So today we are going to fix slow Microsoft Photos loading, or we are going back to all photo viewer. So if you need any one of these, you want to first use Microsoft Photos or getting back the old photo viewer, this video is for you. You need to download to registry file, link in the first comment. Go to the link and download. It's just 782 bytes. So after download, go to the download folder. You will find a RAR file name Windows Photos. Extract the RAR file and open the Windows Photos folder. You will find two registry key named first Windows Photos and old photo viewer. So if you want to only first use Microsoft Photos, then double click on the first rec file, click yes and OK. Now go to any image file and open the image in the Microsoft Photos, and you will see the difference with faster than before. I'm checking twice. As you can see, it's faster now. So if you want to get back to the old photo viewer like Windows 7 photo viewer, then double click on the second registry key and click yes, OK. After that, go to an image file, then right click on it, then select open with, then select Windows Photo Viewer. If you can't find Windows Photo Viewer there, then choose another application and scroll down and you will find Windows Photo Viewer. Select this, and if you want to use Windows Photo Viewer as your default photo viewer, then tick mark, always use this app, blah blah blah, then click OK. First time it take a little bit time, but it's okay. As you can see, with this photo viewer, old photo viewer is back. So that's it. Thank you.